principal accused are likewise ordered to pay the following heirs jointly and severally, namely, number 1, the heirs of victim by Jeneline Mangudadatu. Number 2, heirs of victim Napoleon Salaysay. Number 3, heirs of victim Victor Nunez. Number 4, heirs of victim Joel Parcon. Heirs of victim Santos June Gatchalian. Number 6, heirs of victim Jolito Evardo. Number 7, heirs of victim Andres Teodoro. Number 8, heirs of victim Daryl Vincent de los Reyes. Number 9, heirs of victim Anthony Ridao. Number 10, heirs of victim by Eden Mangudadatu. Number 11, heirs of victim Eugene De Melo. Number 12, heirs of victim Jose Joy Duhay. Number 13, heirs of victim Arturo Betia. Number 14, heirs of victim Lindo Lupogan. Number 15, heirs of victim Mercy Palabrica. Number 16, heirs of victim Ronnie Perante. Number 17, heirs of victim Rosel Morales. Number 18, heirs of victim Wilhelm Palabrica. 19, heirs of victim Rubel Bataluna. 20, heirs of victim Francisco Subang. 21, heirs of victim Raida Sapalon Pamensang. 22, heirs of victim Rahima Palawan. Number 23, heirs of victim Noel Decena. Number 24, heirs of victim Fernando Razon. Number 25, heirs of victim Eleanor Dalmasio. Number 26, heirs of victim Cynthia Oquendo. Number 27, heirs of victim Marife Montaño. Number 28, heirs of victim Jeffon Kadagdagon. Number 29, heirs of victims Eduardo and Cecil Lechoncito. Number 30, heirs of victim Catalino Oquendo. 31, heirs of victim Rasul Daud. Number 32, heirs of victim Abdilay Ayada. Number 33, heirs of victim Marites Cablitas. Number 34, heirs of victim Mac Delbert Ariola. Number 35, heirs of victim Ernesto S. Maravilla Jr. Number 36, heirs of victim Benji Adolfo. Number 37, heirs of victim Norton Edza. 38, heirs of victim Henry Araneta. Number 39, heirs of victim Ray Merisco. Number 40, heirs of victim Bienvenido M. Legarta Jr. Number 41, heirs of victim Daniel Chamzon. 42, heirs of victim Romeo Cabillo. 43, heirs of victim Gina De La Cruz. Number 44, heirs of victim Rowena Ante. Number 45, heirs of victim Suraida Bernan. Number 46, heirs of victim John Caniban. 47, heirs of victim Hannibal Cachuela. Number 48, heirs of victim Wahida Ali Kalim. Number 49, heirs of victim Bay Farina Hassan Mangudadatu. Number 50, heirs of victim Miriam Kalimbol Pandal. Number 51, heirs of victim Concepcion Jaime Brizuela. Number 52, heirs of victim Alejandro Reblando Sr. Number 53, heirs of victim Mamotabay Mangudadatu. Number 54, heirs of victims Tailani and Pinky Balayman.